In this video, we have borrowed my dad's trailer and we are cleaning up the garbage. And Sean is working on putting on new hubs and also new brackets to hold the axles on. As you can see here, we also bought new tires. Those are our new hubs. Our goal at the end of the day will be to add a third axle, but for now, to get the trailer to my dad who can put the third axle on, we are just working at getting these two axles fixed up. Okay, so now we finished cleaning up all the garbage and put it in the back of the trailer. We have to do a dump run. So what we're left with is scrap metal and wood, which we're going to burn. And that's it. Trailer fully loaded. We're going to put a flag on that. That sticks out pretty far from the trailer, right? Here, Sean's beginning the work of replacing the tires and hubs, as well as the brackets that hold the axles on. These axles are 3,500 pounds per axle, which is why we wanted to add a third axle, because they're not quite strong enough for a tiny house. Some people go with the two 7,500 pound axles, but since we already have the 3,500 pound axles, we decided to just add a third one instead of upgrading.
The pads are actually decent. The bearings are good. The inside of them aren't warranted.
But if the bearing just fell out like that, doesn't it that bad?
No, you got an inner bearing in here, and then you got an outer bearing that sits in there. And everything's all greased up. Did we get new pads for shoes and everything?
Yeah, it's a whole kit. Since we have no previous experience doing this and we could find very little YouTubes or other information on how to do this, we spent a lot of time discussing, as you can see here, what we were going to do, planning how we were going to add or where we were going to add the third axle, how we were going to move things around, what needed to be repaired on the trailer. So this is just some footage of us having one of those very long discussions about how we were planning or thinking about doing things in the future. Okay, you get the point. Enough of that.
Pretty much, all we're doing is replacing the outside, the bearings. The shoes are fine. Yeah, well, the shoes still have like this little huge gap on it. The shoes are fine.
I don't think that fridge is garbage. Like, should be in there, do you?
Fridge garbage? No, it's metal. All the plastic shit, most of the plastic off the fridge I threw in the garbage pile.
Okay. Daisy, get away from there, please. Come on, get away. Get over here. Thank you. Thank you, big buddy. it's dirty. How am I gonna clean that?
It's super rusty. You gotta try the loosen U-bolts right harder. Alright, you got new U-bolts? I'll just cut these ones off.
I got new U-bolts.
Let's cut these fuckers off.
I would try loosening them. Because I could use axles.
So, I got the new stabilizer, the new leaf springs, U-bolts, brackets, all new hardware. All I gotta do now is bolt it up, slap the new hubs on, new tires, and it'll be all good to go. Now to do the other side.